Bitcoin Treasury boom. Why corporations are buying Bitcoin fast. Over the past 2 months, something huge has been unfolding behind the scenes of the global economy. A wave of corporations are buying up Bitcoin at a stunning pace. While the headlines focus on ETFs and price action, smart money is quietly making its move. Let's break down exactly who's buying, how much they're buying, and why this corporate Bitcoin accumulation is reshaping the financial world. MicroStrategy, still the king of corporate Bitcoin. MicroStrategy, now rebranded as Strategy, remains the dominant player in the corporate Bitcoin space. In just the last 2 months, they've acquired another 74,000 BTC, bringing their total holdings to over 580,000 BTC. Their strategy is clear: turn the company into a Bitcoin powerhouse. Michael Saylor, Strategy's co-founder and chairman, has made it clear: holding cash is risky. Holding Bitcoin is the future. The rise of the corporate copycats. But Strategy isn't alone anymore. According to recent reports, more than 60 public companies have doubled their Bitcoin holdings since April. Collectively, they now hold nearly 100,000 BTC, up from just 50,000 earlier this year. These companies aren't waiting for perfect market conditions. They're issuing debt, selling stock, and reallocating cash reserves, all to stack sats before it's too late. GameStop's bold Bitcoin bet. One of the biggest surprises, GameStop. The meme stock legend has made headlines once again, this time by acquiring 4,610 BTC, worth around $500 million. It's a major pivot for a retail company and a clear sign that Bitcoin is no longer niche. It's becoming mainstream treasury strategy. MetaPlanet, from hotels to hodling. In Japan, hotel company MetaPlanet has gone all in on Bitcoin. By shifting its reserves into BTC, the company's stock soared over 500%. MetaPlanet isn't just diversifying, it's transforming into a Bitcoin-centric business. This move echoes what MicroStrategy did years ago, and it's paying off fast. Trump Media's $2.5 billion crypto play. Even Trump Media and Technology Group is entering the Bitcoin arena. The company recently announced plans to raise $2.5 billion, with a major portion expected to go into Bitcoin accumulation. This marks one of the boldest political adjacent moves into crypto by a public company, signaling Bitcoin's growing influence across industries and even ideologies. SolarBank, clean energy meets sound money. Canadian's renewable energy firm SolarBank has started accumulating Bitcoin and applied for institutional custody through Coinbase Prime. As more ESG-aligned companies begin to integrate Bitcoin into their financial strategy, the idea that BTC and sustainability are incompatible is being challenged head-on. So why are these companies buying Bitcoin now? Hedge against inflation. With fiat currencies being devalued and interest rates fluctuating, Bitcoin offers long-term protection. Store of value. Bitcoin's scarcity makes it digital gold, appealing to CFOs looking for alternatives to bonds and cash. Institutional momentum. ETFs. Public interest and regulatory clarity are making BTC more attractive than ever before. Financial analysts estimate that corporate treasuries could drive over $330 billion into Bitcoin by 2029. We are witnessing the early phases of that prediction coming true. The future, a corporate Bitcoin standard, whether it's a tech firm, a retail chain, or a hotel company, the message is clear. Bitcoin is becoming a corporate standard. As this trend accelerates, the next wave of Bitcoin buyers may not be retail investors or ETFs, but the very companies we use every day. The corporate race for Bitcoin is officially on. Subscribe for more in-depth insights on Bitcoin, macro trends, and the future of money.